how to use clipping mask in Affinity Designer. So in our case, we're just going to go ahead and do a simple example by putting our image over here into a shape. So of course, we're going to go ahead and take our shape over here. So first, let's go ahead and do that. Let's just use a circle in our case, and let's do the same color or the same theme we have with the image. And what we're going to have to do now to input this image into the shape is to focus on our layers over here. So just go ahead and drag the image you want to be placed inside the shape like so, and it will be inside the shape technically. But in our case, the image is outside the boundaries of the shape. So what we're gonna have to do is, of course, use the select tool and go to the image itself and drag it to the shape itself. But once you put that in mind, you should be able to do whatever you want with this kind of feature. You can decrease the image that's inside the shape. You can change its orientation, pretty much the same as it was, but this time it's inside a shape. You can even add more images inside the shape if you want, but in our case, we're just gonna go add more shapes. Maybe this little cat over here. So we have a little cute orange cat. Actually, let's make it a different color since it'll be harder to see in the orange background of the shape. I'm gonna put it inside the circle group, and as you can see, it's still not inside, of course, since it's only the outline. We can put it inside the shape as well. So let's just do it like here, like it's peeking out just a little bit. But that's pretty much the general idea on how the clipping mask works in Affinity Designer. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.